E.T.M is in the aerospace, defense, military, commercial sectors. That also branches into nuclear, mining, and telecom and medical, just to name a few. I guess what makes E.T.M best in class is we do plastic injection molding, CNC machining, which encompasses 3, 4, and 5-axis machining. We also have full-fledged tooling and full integration of assembly and vendor management systems. So I guess that's one-stop shopping to our customers.
In today's world, to try and find people that have the skills necessary to run the equipment is next to impossible. So you have to train within, you have to provide training, and when you're a mid-sized to small company, you can't afford the training in some cases. So you need that ability to have funding in place to do that sort of thing. The training we received here, it provided them with skills on, time management, different types of styles of leadership, and it helped us grow as a group and understand that there's different ways to learn, which normally in a manufacturing facility you wouldn't learn those skills, those soft skills. So it was very helpful that way.
Through the SAO project that we received, we learned more substantially how to measure with tools that a lot of the people hadn't seen before. It helped with the employees knowing and understanding how the tools and the equipment work. Again, so you can do it more safely and more productive.
I would highly recommend the EOCC training to other industries. They provide substantial training and funding that when you're a smaller company, you couldn't afford to do these trainings, or even to expand on the training that you do today. It allows you to do that, and they have a great pool of resources from all the colleges that allows you to grow as a company.